자꾸 몇 번씩 굴려 좀 기다려줄래 어떻게 난 말려든 것만 같아 너의 밀당 게임 오더라도 뜸들일래 나 왜 기다리고 있는지 잘 모르겠어.
Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung longest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today I'm going to show you how to make 3 easy Asian fried rice. Asian, like signature Asian dishes that inspired to make fried rice. It's gonna be so delicious and so easy. And these recipes, I am going to use only ground meat because I know all of you stocked up some ground beef, ground pork, ground chicken, whatever you have in your freezer. Go ahead and use it. I know you have it, so let's get started. First, beef and broccoli fried rice. Oh yeah, you heard me. It is so good. We are going to mix up the sauce first. So in a mixing bowl, go ahead and combine 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything together and set aside. Heat up the wok over high heat. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add 2 cloves of garlic that finely chopped. And 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Nobody gonna talk about that? Who opened the show today? Stir fry garlic and ginger until you can smell the aroma, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then go ahead and add 6 ounces of ground beef. Break down the beef and mix well and stir fry all together with garlic and ginger. When you see the moisture coming off from the meat, this is time to add 6 ounces of broccoli crowns. Not the crowns you wear on your head like a queen, but the crowns from the broccoli. This way we can steam the broccoli all together with this beef's own moisture. You know what I mean? So smart. When broccoli is about quarter way cooked and beef is nice brown, push the broccoli and beef to the side of the wok and add 1 more tablespoon of oil and crack 2 eggs. Scramble the egg and mix everything with beef and broccoli. Now go ahead and add 4 cups of cold jasmine rice. I love using jasmine rice because I have 20 pounds in the house. But if you don't have a jasmine rice in your house, go ahead and use whatever cold rice you have in your refrigerator. Long grain rice and basmati rice is also really great because they are nice and fluffy, not sticky. When we are adding the rice, we are going to pour the sauce mixture as well, but not directly to the rice, but around the edge of the wok. So when sauce goes in, it will and burn, and already moisture starts evaporating. It makes it so much better fried rice or stir frying. Mix everything well until every single grain of rice is mixed well with the sauce and the beef and the broccoli and the egg. Finish the beef and broccoli fried rice by garnish with some sesame seeds and drizzle a little bit of sesame oil. It's gonna be bring all the aroma and beautiful, beautiful flavor. How easy and delicious this is, right? Okay, let's move on to second fried rice. What was it? Oh, lemongrass chicken fried rice. This is actually Jacob's favorite, so let's jump into it. For lemongrass chicken fried rice, we are going to mix 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper mixed all together in a small mixing bowl. And heat a large wok over high heat. And by the way, you can actually use just a large skillet. That's completely fine. You don't have to have a wok. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil along with 1 shallot that's sliced, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped lemongrass. When you're using lemongrass, I like to peel like a couple of outer parts because they are kind of dried and all that stuff. And I like to use only this white to light green part, and this part I just freeze it in whole and I use it for the soup later. 2 to 3 chopped Thai chili, 4 cloves of chopped garlic. stir fry all the aromatic vegetables together about 30 seconds to 1 minute. When you start coughing because of the chili is so spicy and stir frying, that is the perfect timing when you the chili is spicy. That's the point you need to add 6 ounces of ground chicken. And yes, ground turkey will also work for this recipe. For this recipe, you can also add scrambled egg, like how I did with different broccoli fried rice. And if you want to do that, this is the point. You need to do it right now. When the chicken is about 3/4 way cooked, then break down all the way and mix it well with all the aromatic vegetables. Go ahead and add 4 cups of cold jasmine rice. And again, when we adding the rice, this is the time to add the sauce around the wok. Because what? This way, the sugar will little a tiny bit of caramelize. The fish sauce will caramelize. Flavor will be really amazing. Mix everything together until every single of the rice is coated with the sauce evenly and there's no more slide of moisture in the bottom of the pan. Turn up the heat, sprinkle a little bit of chopped cilantro to your taste. If you don't like cilantro, maybe use parsley. Toss everything together and it's done. OMG. Add maybe a little more cracked black pepper in it and maybe serve on top of like a cucumber or tomato slices so that you will have more vegetable, so it will be complete meal. Go ahead and do so. So delicious. It's so much flavor and this is simple, easy fried rice you've got to try. And to your taste, go ahead and squeeze a little bit of lime juice on your lemongrass chicken fried rice, but I skipped it. I saved my lime for the next recipe, which is Filipina pork adobo fried rice. Let's get started. For this pork adobo fried rice sauce, we need 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of cane vinegar or any vinegar that you have in your house, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix everything well and the sauce is ready to go. So let's heat a wok over high heat. And for this fried rice recipe, there's so many are this fried rice recipe. For this fried rice recipe, I'm going to fried egg first because I actually want nice and crispy. Fried egg with like a runny egg yolk for adobo fried rice. It just works so much better than just scrambled egg. So into the hot wok, go ahead and add enough oil and then crack an egg. And it will splash, so be careful because you're cooking wet protein in a hot temperature, in hot oil, get it? Personally, for this fried rice, I prefer nice and crispy, like crunch, edge, white, and still runny yolk. That's how I like. Remove the fried egg, set aside, and let's make the fried rice really fast. So into the same wok, I am going to make the fried rice. So you will have a little bit of oil already in the wok, and it's supposed to be about 3 tablespoons. And if it's less than that, add more. If it's more than that, remove a little bit. And the pan is probably still a little warm because we just made the fried egg. So don't turn on the heat yet to this warm wok. We are going to just go ahead and add 2 large bay leaves, add a half teaspoon of peppercorn. Yes, whole peppercorn. And it's gonna just make this aroma, this beautiful aroma, to this fried rice. It's gonna be so good, trust me. And also 4 cloves of garlic that finely chopped. Now turn the heat to high and let the aroma to melt into the oil first. When you can smell this beautiful fragrance, then go ahead and add 6 ounces of ground pork and start fry everything together. When the pork is nice and crispy edge and fully cooked and broken down beautifully, this is time to add 4 cups of cold jasmine rice and the adobo sauce. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tip. If you're making this in not proper wok or skillet and not proper high heat, not quite a strong gas heat like I'm using over here with nice and thin wok that will evaporate moisture really fast. If it's not it, you need to cook the sauce with the meat first and then add the rice. Top the pork adobo fried rice with fried egg And it's done. OMG. This is actually my favorite. It's so delicious. Especially with runny egg yolk, go through this fried rice with this little savory and tangy money. And if you're like me, you love extra tang for your adobo, go ahead and squeeze a little lime right on top too.
All right.
All right, guys, let's eat. What happened to your spoon, dude?
Yeah, I don't know.
There you
There we
go. Yeah, out of the camera. There's something everybody will like. Savory and sweet.
That's really good.
I mean, who doesn't like beef and broccoli, huh?
Yeah, who doesn't like beef and broccoli?
Who doesn't? Who doesn't?
Comment if you don't.
No, comment if you do.
If you don't like beef and broccoli, comment.
Nobody likes that.
No,
I'm gonna go find you, find your house, gonna go knock your door,
So why don't you like it?
bring my beef and broccoli fried rice, I'm gonna feed you and change your mind.
And I'm making a mess.
Oh wow. Delicious.
Oh, we're going moving on to the next one?
Wait, we weren't supposed to?
Remember that Hannah said before? Cilantro is nasty.
It's nasty.
A lot of people actually agreed with you.
Because it is.
No, it's either you love it or you hate it.
This is delicious.
A lot of different smells. I like it.
This one's really good too, though.
I love this adobo fried rice. Especially with fried egg on top. Guys, thank you. You take it out with this peppercorn. I knew it. I knew it you would do. If you liked my 3 easy Asian fried rice recipes, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas for Asian home cooking. My mom said don't talk when. Remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas.
I'm Jacob Longus.
I'm Yo Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. We will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Don't forget to tag me. Love you.
Tag.
Tag your.
All for me now.
내게 마음이 드는 적